Today we are going to begin creating a Halloween scene in Scratch Junior. So we're going to start by opening our Scratch Junior app. And now I'm going to select the home button. And now I'm going to press the plus sign to begin a new project. So the first thing we're going to do is choose kind of a fall looking background. So I'm going to go up here. Remember when we learned our backgrounds? And I'm going to pick the fall scene, which is this one right here. And then I'm going to select the check mark, and now it's added the fall scene. So the first thing we're going to do is add some jack-o'-lanterns to our fall scene. So when I go up here to add a character, I look and I see right now there are no pumpkins or jack-o'-lanterns, so we are going to create our own. So I'm going to press that blank canvas to create my own character, and I'm going to press the paintbrush. All right, now I have a blank canvas or screen so I can design my own character. So to make my jack-o'-lantern, I'm going to use the circle tool, and I'm going to make my jack-o'-lantern kind of an orange, nice orange color. So I'm going to pick an orange paint, and I'm just going to use my finger and I'm going to drag down. And I don't want to make it too big because we're going to put a few jack-o'-lanterns in our scene. So maybe like that. And now I want to fill it in orange. So I'm going to go over here to this paint bucket tool. And now when I tap inside my circle, it will fill it in orange. Now I'm going to give my jack-o'-lantern a stem. So now I'm going to use the square tool. And I want my stem to be kind of a green color. And I'm again going to just drag down with my finger. And now I'm going to use that paint bucket, tap inside there, and fill it in. All right, now I am going to give my jack-o'-lantern a face. So I'm going to start by giving him some triangle eyes. And I want those to be black. So I'm just going to use my finger and make some little triangles there. And I'm going to fill that in black. Now I want to make another eye exactly the same so that it matches. So I'm just going to use this stamper here. And now when I tap that, it'll make another one. And now I'm going to press the stamp again. And now it made a third one. And I'm going to use my arrow and I'm just going to move these onto my jack-o'-lantern. And now I want to make my first jack-o'-lantern. I'm going to make him kind of scary. So I'm going to give him kind of a scary face, and I'm just going to use the squiggly line to draw kind of a scary face like that. And I'm going to fill that in. And I'm going to move it onto my jack-o'-lantern. Now that I have this jack-o'-lantern done, it looks good, I'm going to press the check mark and it adds my jack-o'-lantern to my scene. And I'm just going to kind of put them over here. All right, and now I'm going to create another jack-o'-lantern. So I'm going to go to the plus sign again. I'm going to click my blank canvas and my paintbrush, and I'm going to go through those steps again to create another jack-o'-lantern. So I'm going to make my orange circle, and I'm going to fill it in, and I'm going to make my green stem, and I'm going to fill it in. And now I want this jack-o'-lantern to be kind of like surprised. So I'm going to use the circle, and I'm going to give him some kind of oval eyes here, and I want to Duplicate that. Whoops. Now when I make a mistake like that, all I need to do is go up here. There's an undo arrow. I just wanted to stamp that. Okay. And I'm going to use my arrow and move these on here. And this is actually going to be his mouth to kind of make a surprised look. So one thing I can do before I press the check mark, I can name this character. So I can go up there where it says character, and I can call this one surprised. And now I'm going to press the check mark. Okay, I can go back later and do that to my other pumpkin also. All right, so now I have my 2 jack-o'-lanterns. I may go in and add maybe one more jack-o'-lantern so that my story, my scene is all ready to go for next time. What I want to do right now is show you how to save it so you can come back and continue working on it with me next time. So up here in the corner, you'll see this yellow sun piece hanging down here. I'm going to tap that, and I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to call it Halloween. We'll call it Halloween 1. And I'm going to press the check mark, and now it's saved there so we can continue working on it next time. Please send me a photo, a video, a note in Seesaw, and let me know how you did with today's Halloween scene. Have a great day.